Here is a wonderful 2019 Nissan Sentra. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Comfort, convenience, safety, and fun are all yours in the sleek and spirited Sentra. This midsize four-door with modern flair delivers a roomy interior with plenty of creature comforts and thoughtful storage solutions, a suite of standard driver assist safety tech, and an unmistakably sporty ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, alarm, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, intermittent wipers, pass-through rear seat, traction control. Take a ride on the spirited side in this powerful Sentra. Crisp, modern styling meets sport suspension and precise handling to bring you an upscale midsize sedan that puts the fun back into your daily commute.